Hi everybody. I have a Temu package to open up here. This is supposed to be delivered Tuesday, but then we were supposed to get 3 inches of snow. We ended up getting 10. It is like the 4th day that I am inside because nothing's open. We're under a curfew. I don't know how this got delivered, but it did. Yeah, and it's actually like crafty stuff, and I don't think there's any nail stuff, which is new. And I don't know what Temu did. They upped their game because I ordered this like a week ago and it already got here. And something, you know, they sell local now, like you can order from the local warehouse. One of the things I ordered was coming from the local warehouse. It's still not here, but this came from China at that time, so. And I felt perfectly fine about ordering this stuff from Temu. Oh, it's cold. Because everything in here would have come from China no matter where I bought it from, so. Not that I ever feel bad about ordering from Temu. Alright, let me clear some stuff out here. I don't know how they got this in my mailbox. Alright, so these are some little sew-on rhinestones. I have a pack of these that I got from Amazon. They are very hard to sew through. I didn't know that these were gold. But they're just glass rhinestones. Yeah, and see they have the little holes there to sew through. They're like an opal. I think it's not, I don't know why I'm even looking. It's either called like opal or moonstone. White glass. Okay, that's what it says. So, yeah, those are just some little sew-on rhinestones. I like buying stuff like this because, like, organizing it all, oh my god, it's so satisfying. This is just some little bicones. I think they're 4mm, let's say. No, I like to look and pretend like it's going to say something. They're just all kind of neutrally pinky brown colors. I'm not going to open all those because, you know, as soon as I start opening everything, it's going to end up everywhere. This is just another crystal run bicone. These are 3mm. There's 110. I think I got like 5 packs of these. And it said they were glass. I don't know if they actually are. Let's see. Because I don't want to make anything that's got plastic crystals like acrylic. It's just yep, they glass. And I lost one already. Well, I have 109 more. Oh, it's right. Y'all can't see where it's at, but yeah. This is just a sequin mix. I think it's got sequins and seed beads and a couple of bugle beads. This is the black color. It's like a, you know, it's kind of like an oil slick. Oh, these must be the ones I ordered a bunch of. Oh no, are these the same thing? Oh, they just in different. These say 110, 3mm. Yeah, they're just in different packaging. That's weird. So, yeah. And this is the same thing. And it should be one more, but I'll find it eventually. So this is another. Here it is. Yeah, I got a lot of those because I like buying cones, especially if they're crystal. I know those are crystal AB, you know, they have the like rainbow finish on them. This is champagne sequin mix. I love these little bitty sequins. They're going to be like a nightmare to work with. See that one right there? And that one looks even smaller. Yeah, that one is smaller. Like, see this one? Look how teeny tiny. I like them. They're going to be a nightmare to work with, but they're good for filling in little tiny spaces. Oh, look at I also have an order coming from Cartwright Sequins, which is where I usually buy sequins. They're in Arkansas, so they ship to me pretty quickly, but they were supposed to be delivered Tuesday, and right now it's just like a big question mark what this was supposed to be. This was, oh, colorful transparent. This is a purpley. These are really nice. I have a, because it's New Orleans, there is a store here that sells sequins, like, not a sequin store, but it's a Mardi Gras kind of everything where the people go to get, you know, all the embellishments for costumes. And I was supposed to be going to a hospital that's right around there, but I'm not going there anymore. Oh, there's some little bitty sequins. I'm not going there anymore, so I'm not going to get to go to the sequin store. I mean, I could always just go, but it's not nearby. It's not far away. It's just it's difficult to get to. I probably won't use, just looking at them, these, because they look plastic. These are plastic too. I don't like solid. Like if I'm doing something I want it to be, you know, this has like a clear with a white center, and this is just a clear. But maybe, you never know. These are all the same things, just in different colors. Yeah, I might use some of these. I wonder if this is like a, I'm trying to not get the glare on it, like a 2mm sequin. Oh. Alright. These are 4.4mm sew-on rhinestones. Let's see if I can actually, because you can't really tell what they look like because the back's silver and the front is crystal. I'm very excited about this. Let's see. Yeah, these are just tiny. There you go. What is that underneath that nail? But yeah. Hopefully Walmart will open today and I can go get my some more organizers. I have these organizers I love. They're big, and the compartments are big, so you can fit a lot of stuff in them. But I hope I got them from Walmart, because if not, I don't know where I got them from. All right, this is an odd choice to have this orange in here. I thought this would be more like golds and stuff. So this one, that one, I probably won't use, because this is all for Christmas ornaments. And why would I want more a Christmas ornament? Oh wait, there's a lot more stuff in here. Wait. Oh, this is the same thing, but in purple. Oh, I really like these. I'm not so much. See how these are like holographic? I don't really like that because I think they look kind of cheap. But, you know. See, in these, they're like metallic and they're a solid color, but I like those better than those like kind of flat looking metallic ones. This is all bugle beads. I was like, should I get this? Should I not get this? Because bugle beads, unless you buy really nice ones, which is very pricey. I think this was like $6. They're very sharp on the edges, so depending on what kind of beading you're doing, these actually look really good now that I'm saying that. They're usually really sharp on the edges, and when you pull your thread through or your cord or whatever you're using, it can cut the cord. This one's pretty. This one. This is like a black. Oh, this I could do without. I mean, if I'm gonna want a multicolor mix, I'm gonna make it myself. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love organizing little things. This is more. This is J1. This is J17. This one is F7. These are just more bicones. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I got hash browns. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning right now. I got hash browns cooking, and I can smell them. I got chills. They're multiplying. Oh. Y'all. A case full of cases of sequins. They're very cold. It's still cold outside. I posted on my Instagram. I was like, snowed in day 3, running out of sequins, but have plenty of cheese. Now I have plenty of sequins and I'm out of cheese. Y'all, we're gonna have to take a closer look at these. How deep are these? Oh, they're pretty deep. I mean, it's not a tremendous amount of sequins, but like if you go to the sequin store, you buy them in like Hanks, and it's like 14,000 sequins for $1, which that's fine, but then I have 14,000 sequins in one color. Like, you know, these are really nice. Can I get them open? How do we open these? There we go. Wow. Oh, love. Love. Look at these two. I don't usually use sequins this big. These are probably like 6mm. But that color. I love matte sequins. Wow. And see that, I mean, it might not look like a lot, but see how many are stacked together right there? Kinda. Focus. I'm looking for this specific sequin. I think I got it from the sequin. So it's called Jefferson Variety. If you ever want to, if you're in New Orleans and you want to go, it's on Jefferson Highway. And I think it's Metairie, or is it Kenner? No, it's Metairie. Oh, that's pretty. There's a sequin I have that I got from there. It's like a grayish, but it's iridescent. So pretty. I use it in almost every ornament I end up making, and I am running out, and I was trying to sequin match it on Cartwright so I could get a giant bag of them without having to go to Jefferson Variety, but I don't know if that's going to happen. I'll figure it out when my order actually comes. And then I'll have to hope that they're marked more consistently than these are, so I can actually say, okay, that's the color. Oh, look at the little bitty sequins. Oh my god. Oh. I like it. I think I'm gonna like that. Also these. I'm like a parakeet. I'm just like, oh, beautiful shiny things. Like a red with a green iridescence. Pretty. Here's another matte. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, y'all. Wait, how is this one? Oh, okay. And these all look like they're flat. Like, you can either get, like, flat or cupped. These are, like, slightly cupped. Flat or, like, these are flat over here, and these are flat. These are slightly cupped. I don't see, like, any fully cupped sequins, which is good because they don't lay flat, obviously. These might be fully cupped, but I prefer, you know, flat. Not that you're gonna be able to see that, but see how they're they're slightly like, that's a technical term for them, but there's flat, slightly cupped, and cupped. And I like flat and slightly cupped because the cupped ones, you can kind of, like if you're beating something, you can see underneath. This one does not want to stay shut. This one is problematic. This is my problematic fave right here. This is supposed to be on the outside, right? Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to relocate that one. So I'm gonna go get one of my ornaments just to show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, this is one that I finished already. Oh, I'm very tired. Does this one have rhinestones on it? One of them has. Oh yeah. I was like, this is the sew-on rhinestone. So there's one of the sew-on rhinestones. There's another one. These are the flat sequins. Yeah, and it's satin backed. So we just, hang from like there. And then this is an in progress right here. This is all glass. It's got cup chain right here, sequins, freshwater pearls, bugle beads, some glass beads, some bicones. So this will all just be free form until the whole thing's filled up, and then I'll back it with silver. It's like a silver vinyl because this did not work out the way I wanted to, and it was fraying super bad because it's satin. But yeah, this is just I like doing, like, this one has kind of a pattern to it over there. This one I'm just like, what's next, and I just grab and go. But yeah, this can be something to do. I can't like watch a movie and just sit there and watch it. Like I would never watch a movie if that was the case. And I need I'm having trouble finding, I think it's Pelon 296. That's the foundation that I like to use, but this one is felt, and then it has a layer of, I don't know if you can, it's got a layer of tearaway tearaway stabilizer right here. It's just like a paper, but it's sandwiched in between, so I'm not going to be tearing it away, just to, because when you bead this heavily, everything starts to pull in if it's not really well stabilized, and I would prefer, this one has the Pelon in it, but I can't find it right now. And I remember getting it at Walmart, a big roll of it, but I've done a lot of beading since then, and now I can't find it, and it's ridiculously expensive to order on Amazon. I found that missing bead. All right, so yeah, that's what's going on. Oh, and look at that, my hash browns are done. So I probably won't do a video on this just because, oh, I might, I don't know. I like to sit in my office and just, watch HBO original series and do what I'm doing. But yeah, that's what's going on. This is all my Temu stuff. I have another part of this package is coming, but it's just more bicones. I don't know when that's getting here. And I'll probably do a haul when the sequins come because, you know how many sequins you can get for $45? A lot. I'm very excited. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Have a breakfast.